How to hide Bereal streak from friends. Based on your current Bereal app features, there isn't no direct settings to specifically hide your daily streak numbers from friends while keeping them as friends. So, however, you could just go ahead and launch open your Bereal app and locate. There is no such option as maintaining streaks, just like Snapchat or any other social media platform. So, the only way to ensure a specific person cannot see your profile is to remove or block them. And likewise, you could turn off the streak feature in your settings to stop accumulating them as well. You could do this by actually going to your profile initials at the bottom and select the profile initials from or the gear icon from the top right hand side corner of the screen. And when you go to this section, just want to make sure to enable daily check-ins. Now here you could see the privacy section. You could go ahead and find these options, but as you could see, there's no such option, so there isn't a way you could go ahead and hide Be Real Chic from friends. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.